Alright, welcome back, guys. This is Mechanic Man DIY. I am Mechanic Man. It's been almost 2 years since we posted a video. If you remember last time, we were doing some do-it-yourself videos on rebuilding a transmission for a YXZ1000R, the Yamaha side-by-side I had. I think I got a few followers after showing those videos. Unfortunately, that machine is gone. It is long gone. The story behind that, unfortunately, it was wrecked. Went over jump, went end over end. Suspension wasn't set up right at all. Hit a little too fast, went end over end, ended up totaling out the machine. So unfortunately, it is long gone. But the original idea behind this YouTube channel was to promote do-it-yourselfers to be a little more confident and dig into projects that you normally wouldn't. Some things can get pretty complicated, or you just don't think you can do it or don't have the tools. Really, it doesn't matter. I do it as a hobby. So we're going to kind of take this channel in a little bit different direction. Like I said, it's been a long time. We went back to the drawing board. Got some new ideas, got some really exciting stuff coming of what we're going to start doing, what we're going to start focusing on. One thing in particular that I'm going to start doing, I've done it for a long time, is I enjoy flipping cars. I like to buy cars, do a little work to them, and sell them, and hopefully make a little money. More importantly, as a mechanic, I don't do it as a career anymore. I narrowed down what I do into more of a hobby. I enjoy working on stuff in the garage, at home, fixing things up, and of course playing with them. Now, there's a lot of cars out there on the market. Some, you buy it, do a little work to it, do a little tweaking and tuning, and you sell it and you make money. But I like to have more fun with it. So that is what we're going to focus on from here on out. We've got a project in mind, if you hadn't already seen it, sitting right behind me. What I'm going to do is a little, I don't know if a tutorial, I don't know if I'd call it that, but what we're going to do is show the process of buying a car, doing a little work to it, definitely having a little fun with it, and then hopefully in the end, flipping it, selling it, making a few bucks. If not, either way, we're gonna have some fun. So I'm officially going to unveil the next project, the next car. I just picked it up yesterday. As you can see, it's sitting right behind me there. And I know what you're thinking. I already know what you're thinking. 3rd gen Camaro? Come on. But this is no ordinary car. It was cheap, which most 3rd gens are cheap now, which is why they're fun. And again, we'll dig into that a little bit later in another video, probably really soon. I might even do another one today on the official unveil of the car itself, and what we're going to do, how we're going to do it. And I will say that this car is built a little bit for the drag strip. So we're definitely going to do some videos, taking the car out, having some fun, seeing what it can do at the track. And again, this is a car I'm planning on flipping, but the whole point for me is to have some fun while I do it. And that's, I think, the important part, doing stuff yourself in the garage, fixing cars up, working on them, can be fun. It's a big hobby for me. Which is why, again, I like to buy stuff, do a little work to it, put my own little twist on it, and have some fun with it, I'm not a used car lot. Never will be. But stick around. Again, we're going to change directions a little bit. The side-by-side is gone. It was awesome. It was fun. But unfortunately, it was totaled. It was wrecked up pretty bad. So it's gone. I didn't replace it for financial reasons, because if you own one, they're not cheap. So anyways, welcome back, everybody. I hope you stick around and see what we've got coming in the near future. We're going to do some work. maybe you can learn a few things here and there about how to work on different components in cars. We're hopefully going to dive into some tuning stuff, carbureted stuff, supporting mods. Definitely going to do some fun at the track, burning tires. I originally thought we were going to take this pretty seriously. And I think I'm going to try and take it seriously, but that's really not my style. There's definitely going to be some shenanigans, and we're going to have a good time. So stick around. There's a lot of good stuff in store. Again, the next video coming is going to be the official walk around and unveil of this 91 Camaro sitting behind me that we're definitely going to have a lot of fun with. So stick around, guys. We'll see you in the next video.